In a modern dermatology clinic, an experienced dermatologist, Dr. Sarah, is getting ready to treat her patient. The room was brightly lit with pure white, light reflecting off the soft, colored walls. On the work table, there are various medical equipment neatly arranged, ready to be used. That day, a patient named Andy came to consult about his skin problem. Andy has long suffered from stubborn blackheads on his face, especially on his nose. Even though you have tried various skincare products, blackheads still appear and disturb your appearance. Andy felt less confident and hoped that Dr. Sarah can provide an effective solution. Dr. Sarah welcomed Andy with a friendly smile and asked him to sit in the treatment chair. After carrying out an initial examination, Dr. Sarah explained to Andy that blackheads occur due to skin pores being blocked by oil, dead skin cells, and dirt. He then explained the steps he would take to clean the blackheads thoroughly. The first step is to gently clean Andy's face using a special cleanser to remove dirt and oil on the surface of the skin. After that, Dr. Sarah applied warm steam to Andy's face to help open the pores. This warm steam not only makes the extraction process easier, but also more comfortable for the patient. With sterile extraction equipment, Dr. Sarah begins the blackhead removal process. It uses special tools designed to squeeze and remove blackheads without damaging the skin. Every movement was done carefully and with precision. Dr. Sarah focuses on the nose area first, where blackheads often accumulate. One by one, blackheads and whiteheads come out of the pores, leaving skin cleaner and fresher.